Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka undi basnyam bak penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kipulit ke East Khasi Hills kintau da Special Investigation Team lani ka sit kabantok kit benya ro ke Jingshah Pynïap jong Heprit ibadang South Snem hanong lumbre hakas nong nongra banya kani ka sit ka bamenta on Khlieh do Ophisar uba Khlieh ka kes Halor ke Jingshah Pynïap Raja Raghuvanchi katau Superintendent of Police City uba Harbert Pynïap Kharkongor yagani laithu do SP ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivex AM IPS USP ulai thu bagi pulit menta kidang ap ka kai pot jong ka postmortem but onda kilayo ka kai pot ki babnya naga forensic kin threat igi bri gibran khti ban Pynïap dusman ya I insa phira lingdo maunai ulai thu bomenta la register case ya kani Jingshah Ranja police station shushu USP ulai thu bai ni khnai la jar ngai menhinen ka singi khat sau trik nai luar arja opsan hak po pras opsan mistap mat haringkat ki bahye mat kasnong but komjuru ki pulit haringkat ki ksosma ki lalei waji I henry kemlam henry menta ka step lalap do nong belau betre hak building ka balap ya ka met ikhna but menta ki pulit kidang toket ru ya ki nong bela hak ni ki yang
Nongra incident. This child, 4-year-old child, she went missing since yesterday, Sunday, at about. The parents came to know that she had gone missing at about 8:45 and had lodged a missing report in Jingshah police station. Search was made in the whole locality, along with the BDP, locality members, family members, police, dog squad and all that, but the child was not found, and the search continued. And this morning, one of the labourers working in a construction site close by about 100 meters from the house found the body. After finding the body, the forensic team had been called and all that. The body was lifted from there and taken to Nigrams. Post-mortem had been conducted. We are awaiting the report, and family members, actually the post-mortem has been done today. The family members have gone to the police station to file a complaint. Case is being registered. An SIT will be formed on this case to ascertain the facts of the matter and to also zero down on the culprit or culprits. So investigation is will actually, once we delve more into this case and get the forensic reports and other analytics, then we'll be able to get a clearer picture of things.
Sir, is there any suspect in this regard?
See, right now, once we start probing, then the picture will be clearer.
So it was found in under construction building.
Under
So
construction.
you suspect any workers there?
See, the workers, actually, there's a worker who found the body in the morning. So we have actually examined the person. We'll be examining more people as the investigation progresses.
So after she went missing, was there any report?
No, after she went missing, alerts were sounded everywhere to all our police stations, to all units outside. And in fact, we had given out a lookout notice everywhere, thinking that she might have been lost somewhere.
So who will be heading the sit?
The sit will be headed by SP City and overall by me.